Buongiorno.
Ciao Kate, ciao Sean, come state?
Sì, bene, grazie.
Bene, molto bene, grazie. Oh, you ready?
Okay, let's start.
Filming now? Look at that. Fantastic.
Following your instructions, it was quite easy to make this. You had your camera at such a good level, we could see how your hands were working, and that helped us to replicate it in our kitchen.
Excellent.
And also we can move our camera down to the work surface when needed, so you can see what we are doing, and you were able to correct us and give us lots of tips.
Yeah.
You enjoyed our experience.
This is what we produced. Well done.
Being online doesn't stop the cooking experience.
Grazie.